What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Action Stunt Garage. My name is Dave Cutler. I myself am an ex-action sports athlete turned Hollywood stunt driver. On this channel, you will see me build really cool vehicles for the people of the film industry. I hope you like and subscribe and follow along, because there will be some really cool behind-the-scenes videos of builds, videos of us practicing in our stunt cars, and as much as I can possibly show you from the people of the Hollywood film industry. Let's start with this 350Z build that I started a few months back and have now had the time to put it out there and edit it, and realized I did not do an intro video. So here it is. I hope you enjoy, and let's get to the build. Okay, so here we have it. Now that the back end is chopped away of the car, now it's time to fabricate. So I've gone ahead and I've pre-cut, pre-coped and chopped all the pieces that are getting ready to be fabbed in. You can see those on the floor there. That's the rear section that'll hold the fuel cell. That's the rear jack point and all that. They've already been coped on the ends. And that's the rest of the pieces over there. So basically what's going on is now it's time to start welding everything in. So I've gone ahead and cleaned up all around the spots. So we'll weld in these plates all the way around and then start welding in all the pieces. So we're gonna get to that now. And the reason I did that is because I didn't think everybody would want to see all the chopping, cutting, welding, all the chopping and cutting and stuff like that. So all the prefab stuff. So we're just gonna do another time lapse and start putting this thing together. All right, let's do it. Alright, so here we have it. Went ahead and got these shock towers wrapped. That was pretty cool. I'll show you all the way around. Nice, right on the perfect, right on that same body line, so we can weld the body line and the new plate to the tower all together. So that's cool. And the reason that I can do this full wrap like this, because per Formula Drifter rules, you can only go so far and stuff like that. However, the way I do my cage on this is I'll actually have a bar for the cage up front going forward, but I'll also have a bar here going across, and then I'll have a bar here in the back actually coming down to the rear cradle section, so I can wrap the whole thing. So yeah, so those are in, those are tack welded really good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding the bars in the back section, all right? Woo! Okay, so that's in. Looking really nice, looking really nice. As you can see, I got the back of the car pretty much tacked in place. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's no way I just came up with this right off the spot on the build for this one. So, no, I've done this before. So this is actually the second one. And this is all, if it'll focus. It won't focus. Let me turn around the light. There we go. So this is all my bending diagrams and jigs and marks and all that stuff. So that's how I can make all the pieces ahead of time and go ahead and just little trims here and there, but get it all fabbed in really quickly, because I wanted it to not take a million years on camera. So yeah, I'm happy. This is looking good. This is looking really, really good. So this is the back of the car once again. This will hold a fuel cell from Fuel Safe or Iridium, whichever one I decide to go with. This is my jack point right here, and that's reinforced all the way up to this, all the way to the shock tower. So that's looking really good. Next to do is weld this all in, or at least tack it in a little bit better. Put the mounts for the radiator, get the radiator hoop in here, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned.